Alright guys, here's some scores from yesterday afternoon and today. Yesterday I was able to find two more of the 9 mega packs. We had 35 each, and had them look under the cabinet, see if there's anything in the treasure chest. No clearance scopes, knives, or anything, but there was this one bucket with 22 under there, and I found one of these Swiss Arms air rifles for 30 bucks. I think it's Paradox 2311. Found one of these a couple of weeks ago. And today I was at my local country in town Walmart, and they had a ass ton of this ZQI 762 by 51. I didn't take it all. I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do with it, but I picked up 25 on the day. If the rest of it's there tomorrow, shit, I'll probably buy it too, hell. But I got this little Target. It says 7, but ring up $4 on that. There's that yesterday. But shit, that's it for the day. Y'all have yourselves a good Wednesday.